Assalamu alaikum, my name is Sultan Ahmed Khan and today in this video I will be talking about memory enhancing techniques. One of the method I discussed with you and that was the car method, and today I will tell you about a new method which is called body method. In this body method, what you have to do is you need to associate your body parts with the bits of information you want to store in your mind forever. Before I start it, let me tell you that this is a proven, tested and reliable method, and this method has been in use for many years. All the memory masters, all the mnemonists use these methods in order to retain the information in their minds. So what is this method? Without further ado, let me tell you what it is. You have to start from the bottom of your body, like your legs. You have to see it with your mind's eye that you are standing on a big yellow light bulb and your feet are burning at this moment. Just think about it. Done? So that light bulb, that big light bulb will tell you, will remind you about creative intelligence. We are going to learn the different intelligences with the help of this body method. So the first intelligence is the creative intelligence. Now, when we go a little bit up, so we have knees. So on your knees, you need to imagine there is a big black purse. That black purse will remind you about personal intelligence. So the second intelligence is the personal intelligence. Now, the third intelligence. For this intelligence, we have a storage compartment, that is your thighs. On your thighs, you need to think they are little people, very small people, and they are having a big party over there. Okay, they are having fun over there. They are socializing. They are having a get together. So it will remind you about the third intelligence, which is social intelligence. Imagine that you are wearing a belt, and that very belt is being fastened by an angel. I know that it sounds very ridiculous, it sounds very funny, it seems to be a very childish way of memorizing things, but believe me, these are the methods which the memory masters use in order to compete in the World Memory Championship. So you have to think about that one angel is fastening your belt. So that angel represents the spiritual intelligence. Spiritual intelligence. Now, move up. You have a stomach, and imagine that on that stomach you have 6 abs. 6 abs on your stomach. So these abs will tell you about physical intelligence. Physical intelligence. Done? Just pause the video and try to imagine things from the very beginning. So now, when we move up again, you need to think about your hand. Okay, on your hand you have to imagine or visualize that there are eyes, nose and a mouth. Eyes, nose and a mouth. So there is a face on your very hand, on your left hand. So this will remind you about sensual intelligence. It will remind you about sensual intelligence. Now, move ahead. Here, on your neck, you need to think there is a locket. You need to visualize a picture of you wearing a locket with an emoji on it. Emoji on that locket. So that emoji will help you remember the emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence. Now, then comes mouth. You need to imagine that from your mouth different colorful numbers are coming out. So this will help you memorize numerical intelligence. Now, imagine on your nose there is a spaceship. So a spaceship will help you remember spatial intelligence. So far we have discussed 9 intelligence. That is the spatial intelligence. Now, so finally, you have to think about your hair talking to each other. okay, they are having a conversation. So it will remind you about verbal intelligence. Verbal intelligence. So I hope you will like this video, and in the next video I will be discussing with you some other techniques which are related to memory. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.